I am making candy corns today, and I hope that you will join me. For today's project, I am using Crafter Square modeling clay from the Dollar Tree. I have it in the yellow, the orange, and the white. I also have some cookie cutters that I found at Dollar Tree last year. I have a witch hat, a coffin, a spider web, a skull, a ghost, and a bat. You will also need a cutting mat. You can use a glass mat if you like, or you can use one of these flexible cutting mats. It just makes working with clay on a lot easier. You will also need some string. You will also need maybe like a dowel or a needle to help poke holes into these cookie cutters, so have something on hand for that. And I will let you know if I need any additional supplies to complete my project. The first thing I'm doing is just breaking off a piece of my clay, and then I'm going to knead it just a little bit. Just soften them up. It doesn't take that much time at all. Before I start on my cookie cutters, I want to make some traditional candy corns. It'll be fun, right? So like this, right? Cute. And squish it together. See? Very easily done. Now start shaping that triangle. Look at this, right? It's quite easily done. Just like that, right? And turn it over. And then squish from this side too. Look at this. We have a candy corn. Isn't that cute? I love it. Let's make one more. So see, look at this, how cute. Give it that pointy tip at the top. And then here's the other one. I think this one I was going to make a little thinner. See, you just chunk that off and start all over. How cute, right? See there? Isn't that cute? So make a bunch of these, put it on the tray, and then stick it in the oven. Because they are thinner than 1/4, I can bake these at 275 for 15 minutes. And that should harden it up. So once you take it out of the oven, you want to cool the candy corns just a little bit before handling it. You know, you don't want to burn yourself, right? So make a bunch of these. I would like to make a large candy corn now. So I think maybe right there. look at this. I have a huge candy corn. So this candy corn is 3 inches long by 2 inches wide. See, that's a very big candy corn. I like that. Look at this. Nice, right? That's a nice big candy corn. I think I will make some more in this size. I want to try the coffin first. I think the best thing to do is put the hole in before we put it in the oven. So I have the skewer. It's really thin. And I'm going to take that and just poke a hole right in the center. See, like that, right? This way I can put my string through there. See there? Cute, right? So I need to do that to my large candy corn too. Hold on. Let me grab it. So once you have it set on your tray, don't move it again. So, and then this one, I can put the hole right there. Oop. See, make sure it goes all the way through. Okay, so that one has the hole. I need 5 more of these little slabs. Is that what it's called? Slab? Let me do that. And then I'll go ahead and cut them all out with you. I have flattened out my clays. Look at this. And then I made sure I had enough to cover the cookie cutters. So this is the skull right here. So push this through. Now on these, they're thicker than, or maybe they are exactly at 1/4 inch. See, well, some of it is just a little bit thicker. So here's the skull. Here's the witch hat. Squish this down. And then just peel the outside. There you go. And then the ghost up here. And then I have the spider web. So these cookie cutters, it's a lot easier to work with when the clay is really thick. So, and then here's the bat. I'm going to pull the cutters off and take a look to see what they all look like. Look at that. Isn't that neat? I'm almost afraid to pull them up. So I'm going to take my dowel and create the holes at the top. just like that. And spiderweb. So they're all candy corn color now, right? Look at that. This is what I have so far. Look at this. I have me a ghost, a spiderweb, a bat, a couple of coffins. I have a skull, a candy corn shaped one, and a witch hat. Isn't that fabulous? And then I had a full tray of candy corns, tiny ones. You know, this project did not turn out like I wanted to. And let me tell you why. My candy corns did not come out like I wanted to. Well, the baking part, that is. They did not dry in the oven at all. I baked them at 275 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And it did not do the job. It all came out very moist, see? So I completely cooled everything down, the tray and all. And then I put it back in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. I still didn't do anything. I pulled them off and I stopped my project because look at my candy corns there. They started bubbling. Look at that. You know, I did not like it at all. And then this clay, the modeling clay from Dollar Tree, they give off a lot of fumes. So I did not want to smell up my house any more than I needed to. So I was thinking, well, I can probably still salvage this, right? So I peeled it off and I started smoothing the front side, and I'm like, okay, well, that's working. And then I flipped it over and look at this. It's got a bunch of holes on the back side, so it's just not going to work at all. So the next thing I've decided to do is just to make some balls like this, you know, like tiny balls, or I could make some beads, right? If I just roll it like this. That's if I can find a solution to dry this clay, that is. Look at this. Wouldn't it make wonderful tiny beads? My cute candy corn project has turned into a review, you know, on the modeling clay from Dollar Tree. You are probably wondering why I just scrapped the project altogether. Anyway, I did. I stopped, but I'm hopeful that there is a solution out there. I thought it was important to share with you, should you buy this clay from the Dollar Tree, that you might have the same problems I did. But if you guys know of a solution to dry this clay, if you would leave a comment below in the comment box, I would really appreciate it, because I would like to salvage this if I can, just because they're so cute, right? So adorable. I just wish they could dry. As crafters, we have these problems, right? Occasionally. I do have a video that I will link below for you. I have made candy corns before using a different product, and I hope that you will enjoy that video. And in the future, I would like to remake these pieces right here. They're so cute. I have to try again. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.